Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto G86. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and now you have to click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.